Welcome to Quiz Cracker. In this quiz video, you will find answers of amazing questions. 5 seconds to ponder for answers. So before we begin, please do subscribe, like and share Quiz Cracker. Let us get started.
Which South African festival celebrates the country's diverse cultures? Options are Cape Town Carnival, National Arts Festival, Zulu Reed Dance. Correct answer is National Arts Festival. What is the famous cultural festival of Brazil? A. Oktoberfest, B. Carnival,
C. Diwali. Correct answer, Carnival.
Which traditional Irish festival marks the beginning of spring? Options are St. Patrick's Day, B. Beltane, C. Samhain. Correct answer B. Beltane. Which festival is celebrated in India to mark the victory of light over darkness? Options are A. Diwali, B. Hanukkah, C. Eid al-Fitr. Correct answer A. Diwali. Which Japanese festival involves floating lanterns on water? A. Holi, B. Hanami, C. Obon. Correct answer C. Obon. What is the famous harvest celebrated in Thailand? Options are A. Songkran, B. Epeng, C. Loy Krathong. Correct answer C. Loy Krathong. Which festival is widely celebrated in the USA to give thanks for the harvest? Options are A. Thanksgiving, B. Bastille Day, C. Mardi Gras. Correct answer A. Thanksgiving. Which famous festival in Spain involves running with bulls? Options are A. La Tomatina, B. Running of the Bulls, C. Fiesta de San Isidro. Correct answer Running of the Bulls. What is the name of the famous Chinese festival that involves dragon boat races? Options are Dragon Boat Festival, Mid-Autumn Festival, Lantern Festival. Correct answer Dragon Boat Festival. Which Scottish festival involves tossing the caber and other traditional games? A. Guy Fawkes Night, B. St. Andrew's Day, C. Highland Games. Correct answer C. Highland Games. Which traditional festival is celebrated in Mexico to honor deceased loved ones? Options are A. Cinco de Mayo, B. Day of the Dead, C. Independence Day. Correct answer B. Day of the Dead. What is the famous cultural and religious festival of Iran? Options are A. Nowruz, B. Holi, C. Hanukkah. Correct answer A. Nowruz. Which South Korean festival celebrates the first full moon of the Lunar New Year? Options are A. Chuseok, B. Seolal, C. Boryong the Mud Festival. Correct answer B. Seolal. What is the main carnival event held annually in Venice, Italy? Options are A. Carnival of Venice, B. Festa della Senza, C. Palio di Siena. Correct answer Carnival of Venice. Which Egyptian festival marks the end of Ramadan? Options are A. Eid al-Fitr, B. Coptic Christmas, C. Sham al-Nassim. Correct answer Eid al-Fitr. What is the famous national festival of France that celebrates the French Revolution? Options are A. Bastille Day, B. Epiphany, C. Armistice Day. Correct answer A. Bastille Day. Which famous Australian festival is known for showcasing Aboriginal culture? Options are A. Sydney Festival, B. Garma Festival, C. Melbourne Cup. Correct answer B. Garma Festival. What is the name of the major winter festival celebrated in Canada? Options are A. Winterlude, B. Calgary Stampede, C. Canada Day. Correct answer A. Winterlude. Which New Zealand festival celebrates the Maori New Year? Options are A. Waitangi Day, B. Matariki, C. Anzac Day. Correct answer B. Matariki. Which annual festival in Russia is known for its Maslenitsa pancakes? Options are A. Maslenitsa, B. Russian Orthodox Christmas, C. Victory Day. Correct answer Maslenitsa. Which famous cultural festival in Nepal involves masked dances of gods and demons? Options are A. Tihar, B. Dashain, C. Indra Jatra. Correct answer C. Indra Jatra. What is the major cultural festival celebrated in Argentina that involves tango? Options are A. Dia de la Tradición, B. Buenos Aires Tango Festival, C. Fiesta Nacional de la Vendimia. Correct answer B. Buenos Aires Tango Festival. Which Nigerian festival is known for its colorful masquerade performances? Options are A. New Yam Festival, B. Iyo Festival, C. Argungu Fishing Festival. Correct answer B. Iyo Festival.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.